Hello everyone. Welcome back to Keto in the Kitchen with Pat. I hope you're having a great day and a good week as well. Well, here we are off into August and summer is going to be coming to a close. I don't know about you, but I'm kind of sad about it. But what can we do? I guess we just keep on keeping on. Today, I wanted to have a little chat and just kind of go over some things. How are you doing with your weight loss journey? Are you sticking to keto? Are you doing intermittent fasting? Are you doing OMAD, which is one meal a day? I'm not doing intermittent fasting and I'm not doing OMAD. I am trying to just maintain doing my keto. Since I've been diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, I have to be careful with what I'm doing and not eating. I'm not certain that that is a good thing because I've tested my blood sugars, and when I'm not eating, they tend to go up, which is really unusual and kind of odd, I think. But sometimes when I eat something, I'm surprised that my blood sugar has gone down after an hour. So I'm trying to find a balance, and I'm not sure what that balance is, to be honest, but we do the best we can do day to day and do the best we can for ourselves while keeping keto in mind to keep our weight under control. I haven't seemed to lose a lot of weight lately. Could be the medicine I'm taking, could be the foods I'm eating, of course, but I haven't been eating that much. I've been pretty much one, relatively big meal a day and then a small meal. A snack for me would be some cut up celery sticks with some homemade dip or some broccoli in the dip. And so I'm trying to stay pretty much clean. It seems like weight doesn't budge, and that is very common, I understand, with insulin resistance. And with insulin resistance, it's kind of a frustrating battle going uphill because insulin resistance causes you to store fat and not lose fat. So I'm trying to see if I'm taking my morning bulletproof coffee with some organic coconut oil in there, and trying to do that every day and see if that helps me get a little budge on my losing weight, because I really need to lose the weight. I think that's a crucial part of trying to fight this type 2 diabetes, because my goal is to get off metformin totally. And currently I'm taking 500 milligrams of metformin per day. And my blood sugar in the morning is generally in like 150s, maybe 147, 148, in that range. Then I take my pill. Generally my breakfast will be 2 eggs, 2 sausage, or 2 pieces of bacon, or maybe 3. No toast, no carbs. And then after a couple of hours, my blood sugar will usually go down to around 130 something. And if I really have just a celery snack with some dip, generally around 4 o'clock, it'll be about 120s or thereabouts. So I feel like it's pretty good, and my A1C level has gone from last year in April last year, when this diagnosis first came about, was 7.8, and I just had my A1C tested in June and it was 7.0. So I was very happy about that, to have gone down, and I feel like it's going in the right direction, but it's just a process and it's a little bit frustratingly slow. But thank God for keto. I have to tell you, I think this is the way that type 2 diabetics may have to really consider. Now, I'm not a medical professional. Don't take medical advice from me. I am just sharing with you what works for me. So anyway, I've got some exciting things coming up on Keto in the Kitchen with Pat, and I want to do a challenge. And so what you need to do to get registered is simply comment below, give a thumbs up and like, and share this video. And if you're not subscribed, you will need to subscribe. And I hope you subscribe, because I really, really do treasure my subscribers. I really thank you. You make this worth doing every day. Well, not every day, but you make this worth doing and continuing to do. So we've got some exciting recipes coming up. I'm going to be making a zucchini pizza casserole. And I'm going to be also making, this is by request. I have some friends that have requested that I do my artichoke pizza. And so I used to do it with a bobbly, and I'm going to try doing it with the garlic parmesan flatbread as my pizza dough, and then doing the recipe with feta cheese, red pepper, orange pepper, and yellow pepper, and a creamy artichoke sauce. So I hope you look forward to that. I look forward to seeing you back here on Keto in the Kitchen with Pat. Thanks. Come on back real soon. Bye.